lady said this to me. I didn't agree with it, but I was very fascinated by the mindset. They said, जिंदगी में कुछ और करो ना करो, ड्रेस और एड्रेस अच्छा होना चाहिए. No lady said कि जिंदगी में कुछ करो ना करो, ड्रेस और एड्रेस अच्छा होना चाहिए.
A similar quote I heard
Yeah.
कि चेहरे पे स्माइल और जिंदगी में स्टाइल की कमी नहीं होती.
Yeah.
My son also. Not only ladies.
So, if that is true, it affects us, right? That shows whatever we get affected by shows कि मैं किससे identify करता हूँ अपने आप, कि मैं अपने आप को क्या मानता हूँ really, जिससे मैं affect होता हूँ. जो जिसका वर्धन हो या whatever increases and I get happy, I am really connecting with that as my identity. And जिसमें भी whatever is actually someone is putting that thing down and I get affected, that means I am attaching my identity towards that. Is that okay to understand? It's not just a theoretical thing. It is also how you feel, which is symptomatic of what you think of as your identity. Is this okay to understand? Yes? That is why it is called, our identity is called an ego. It's called a ego is actually not a negative word. It's become negative because it's false ego. Anyway, we'll talk about that later. But this is it, right? All of this में आप मुझे बताओ कौन सी चेंज हो सकती है और कौन सी परमानेंट. नेम चेंज हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता मैम. You can choose your name. I myself have two names, right? Just going through two names.
एड्रेस चेंज हो सकता है, क्वालिफिकेशन चेंज हो सकता है,
जेंडर भी चेंज हो सकता है. एज
तो चेंज हो ही रही है.
हो ही रही है. That's such a nice point. Qualification, job तो someone was taking up some youngster yesterday was talking कि I had just changed my job and he said now I'm looking for the next one. He has not joined yet, but he's looking for the next one also. इसमें से क्या चेंज हो सकता है? सब कुछ except date of birth, right? What if I tell you date of birth भी change हो सकता है, right? Yeah, date of birth. In fact, all of this comes with the date of birth, starts with the date of birth. Date of birth means the day you were born, right? This body was born. Again, this body was born. Now the whole paradigm has shifted, right? This body was born. I was born or this body was born? If I ask you a question, इस बर्थ से पहले आप क्या कर रहे थे? Anybody has an answer? इस बर्थ से पहले आप थे कि नहीं थे? आप ये बताओ. थे?
क्या थे? But in a different form.
How are you so sure, Mati? You maybe have some insights for us. How are you so sure?
No, that
Someone told you?
Someone told me
Yeah.
that like you become a human being after going through
Yeah.
different versions of life.
Mostly, we Indians have this. बर्थ से हमें पता होता है कि नहीं कुछ है. कोई बोलता है some पुनर्जन्म and some reincarnation and we've seen movies also, Om Shanti Om and Kar and all of that, right? Different age में different movies, yeah. But if that is the case, even date of birth will change, yes or no? With each birth, date of birth changes, yes or no? Do you agree that? Theoretically speaking, हम इसको theory को लेके चलते हैं कि this is what happens. Is that okay to understand? Yeah. If that is the case, that means all of this is transient. All of this is changing. Yes or no? Then what leaves you is you. If all of this can be changed, that means मेरा ये कुछ ना इसमें से कुछ permanent नहीं है, सब कुछ label है. सब कुछ क्या है? Label है इस body के लिए. The name is of your body, yes or no? The age is of your, the gender is of your, address is of your, the qualification is of your. In this body you are qualified as this. Yes or no? That means this, all of this is an identity of your body. This is an ID card of your, with the photograph of your body, no? Nothing beyond that, yes or no? Now I ask you a question again. Are you anything beyond this body? Are you anything beyond this body?
Energy.
Energy, yeah? Energy coming from parathas and pakoras and creatine and what else?
Thoughts.
Thoughts, that's a good one. Both, we take both. Energy and thoughts. The body is alive because it has some kind of energy, yeah? But we also have thoughts. Have you seen how did the Titanic crash? Iceberg के साथ we all know that, right? And iceberg क्यों famous होते हैं? क्योंकि 80-90% of it is under the water. That's why the saying comes, tip of the iceberg. कि हमें जो दिख रहा है वो बहुत कम पार्ट है, जो नहीं दिख रहा है वो एक्चुअली मेजॉरिटी. इसी एनालॉजी को लेके हम अपनी एनाटॉमी समझेंगे. इज दिस ओके? ठीक है. जो हमारा दिखने वाला पार्ट है, the seen wala part, we'll start with that because that's the easiest part. Yeah, there are three parts to us. We have the seen. Can you all repeat this?
Seen, unseen, unknown.
ठीक है. We'll start with the seen part, right? What can you see in each other? The body, we've talked about it again and again. What does the body have? 5 senses. What is the body made out of? What are the 5 senses? बचपन में जाओ और याद करो. Remember that, yeah? 5 senses. यहाँ यही देखो. Eyes, skin, ears, tongue and nose. These are our 5 senses. इससे हमारी क्या बनी है पूरी body. Is this okay? This is the first part. This is the seen part. No problems here. No problems here. Yeah, everybody knows about this. Yeah. Is there an unseen part also? We talked about it. We said. Thoughts, yeah? Where do thoughts come from? Mind. Where is the mind? Who has a mind here? Raise it, please. Show of hands. Mind. थोड़ा ऊपर और थोड़ा. Sure नहीं हो क्या? ऊपर करो. Mind है कि नहीं? है ना? Okay, good. तो कहाँ है मुझे बताओ. आप you all agree that you have a mind. Where is it? Ataji Singh here. Where is it? You can't see it. How do you know it's there?
That's how we think.
That's how we think. Listen, you're getting into very dangerous territory, Malati. You're basically saying, I believe in something that I can't see, but I can perceive. Getting into very dangerous territory because now the same will apply to other things also in life. Yeah? Because in other things we say कि नहीं मैंने तो देखा नहीं कभी. Yeah? Now, हमने क्या बोला कि mind है, but I can't see it. But it's there. I can perceive it, right? And some of you said it's here. Some say it's here. Yeah. But actually, it's not a physical thing like a heart or it's not an organ that you can actually place. It pervades through your body. Is this okay to understand? Yeah. So the mind is unseen, and ये अगर दिख रहा है, ये नहीं दिख रहा है, तो इसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा कम पता है. इसके बारे में हमें सबसे ज्यादा पता है. उसमें भी not everything. I was researching on this today, and I saw that I was just researching कि कितने diseases हैं, body के कितने diseases हैं. They say that there are 10,000 to 14,000 known diseases. How many? 10 to 14,000 known diseases. And I then asked the research person there that how many do we have a cure for? They told me cure और treatment अलग होता है. Cure होता है इसमें हट जाता है. Treatment होता है you manage. They said, what do you think the number is where how many of these can we treat and how many of these treat or cure both, whatever. What is the percentage? What do you think? 90%? Yeah. Yeah. NIH of the US says 5% or less. We have a cure and treatment for 5% or less of the cure and treatment. Not just cure and treatment for less than 5%. How well do we know our bodies then? We don't know our bodies also. But ठीक है, इसको हम सबसे ज़्यादा जानते हैं out of these. Now उसके नीचे हमारे mind को और भी हम कम जानते हैं. Is this okay to understand? Yeah. Do you agree here?
Yes.
Because हमें पता ही नहीं, we don't even know where. If we are asked a question कि where is it, we don't even know where it is, but it's there somewhere, right? So that's the unseen part of it, which is all tied up and muddled up like this. We don't know. It's very crazy inside. So we want to make it tranquil, but there is some other thing also. अब हो गया, हमने बोला कि body है जो दिख रहा है, mind है जो thoughts है. He said something called energy, right? What is this energy? Is there anything beyond this body and thoughts? कुछ है और? क्या है? Soul. What is soul? Sorry.
Form of energy.
Form of energy. Okay. Getting as abstract as we can, right? Soul. Have you heard the word soul? Yeah. Do we say, "यार ये गाना ना, it touched my soul"? Do we say that?
Yeah.
How can you say that when you don't even know what the soul is? What did it touch? What did it touch? It just made me feel something, but feeling is from the mind. Where does the soul come from? Soul क्या है? What is the soul? Soul को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? आत्मा. आत्मा बोलेंगे तो बोलेंगे कि ये आत्मा तो हम दूसरे ही जगत में चले गए. We don't say आत्मा. Do we have departments dealing with the body? Yeah?
Yeah.
Do we have departments of study and education dealing with the body? Do we?
Yeah.
Yeah? For example, engineering, arts, ये सब even fabric, textile, all these are related to the body. Body को कैसे serve करना है, body को कैसे ठीक रखना है. Is this okay to understand? Are there departments for the mind? Are there departments for the mind? Psychology, psychiatry. थोड़ा बहुत उसमें भी ये कम है. And it is not fully understood yet. Right? Now we said some word right now. What did we say?
Soul.
Energy of soul, right? Do we have a department for that?
No.
Any department that is dealing with that?
But yoga.
Meditation.
Is there a department of that? Are we taught about it somewhere? Formally, any part of our formal education?
No.
No, right? Mind के बारे में भी in fact नहीं बता रहे हैं. वो भी अभी धीरे-धीरे they're saying कि you know wellness of the mind, etc. You'll have to talk about, right? But the third part, which is beyond the seen and unseen, right? The seen, इसको बोलते हैं हम gross body. क्या बोलते हैं? And unseen जो mind है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Subtle body. क्या बोलते हैं? Why is it called subtle? Because we can't see it, right? There's something beyond, and what is that? This is a diagram to show us what that is. Okay? हमें क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? क्या दिख रहे हैं? घोड़े दिख रहे हैं और क्या दिख रहा है? Basically this is a chariot. Yes?
Yeah.
रथ बोलते हैं. ये इनके मेडालियन लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. क्या लगे हुए हैं?
Medallion.
Which are representing कि ये 5 हॉर्स represent क्या कर रहे हैं? ये हमारे 5 सेंसेस को represent कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? ये सेंसेस किससे कंट्रोल होते हैं? ब्रेन से.
Mind से.
ब्रेन तो बॉडी के पार्ट है.
Mind.
माइंड से कंट्रोल होते हैं सेंसेस. हम माइंड से कंट्रोल करते हैं ना. कोई थॉट आता है फिर हम उससे बॉडी को सेंस करते हैं, कंट्रोल करते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? ब्रेन तो उसके बीच का हार्डवेयर है, बट उसके बीच में देयर सॉफ्टवेयर आल्सो. नो, द माइंड इज द सॉफ्टवेयर एंड द बॉडी इज द हार्डवेयर. डू यू एग्री हियर? हरे कृष्णा.
Hare Krishna.
यस, से लाउड यस.
Yes.
ओके, ठीक है. ये जो 5 सेंसेस हैं ये घोड़े हैं. हाउ दे कंट्रोल? हाउ डू यू कंट्रोल with what? You control your car with a steering wheel. You control a horse with what? What do you control a horse with?
Leash.
Yeah, leash, but in their language it is called a rein. Lagam. Zaban ko,
Lagam.
that's where it comes from, right? घोड़े को लगाम से. That's how you rein in a horse. These are the reins through which they are controlled. But can the reins control the horses by themselves? You need a. Who is this guy? He is the charioteer, yeah, Rath, Sarathi, as you call him, right? Is it okay to understand?
Yes.
This person has to control the horses using the reins. Are you all with me?
Yes.
स्टेबल वाला ये मोड में तो नहीं चलेगा. You're here, right? This is the analogy. This is not about actual horses. You understand that? Yeah. This is a person controlling the horses through the reins. Yeah. The reins are the mind. The reins are the mind. The mind has to control the. But this person is called the intelligence. This person is called the. I'll just give you an example. Who here is conscious about their health? Health conscious, yeah? When you're health conscious, what do you have to be conscious about? About what you eat, right? So, does our mind always have good ideas in terms of what to eat? Thought हमारे हमेशा good idea देता है क्या? कि हमेशा ही broccoli, kale, salad ये खाओ? नहीं? Mind क्या कहता है? What does the mind say? छोले भटूरे. What does the mind say? Really bad ideas the mind gives, right? Really bad ideas. But if the mind is giving us an idea, but we are not taking that action, that means that we have control. And that is called intelligence. कि इंटेलिजेंस को यूज करके हमने बोला कि नहीं माइंड तो गलत बोल रहा है, तो ये नहीं करेगा, ये करेगा, एंड द सेंसेस जो ये खाने का जो माउथ वाला पार्ट है उसने सही चीज का आइडियल केस. Is this okay to understand? Right? But most of the time, does that happen? What happens? Chole bhature happen. Yeah? That means this person is weaker than the senses. जब घोड़े से weaker सारथी होगा तो वो जहां खींचेंगे वही जाएगा. That means this person is weaker than the senses and the mind. Is this okay to understand? But these are the senses, this is the mind, and this is the intelligence. This is the whole thing that we talked about, right? These are the seen and this is the unseen. Yes or no? Yeah? Then, who is this? ये भाई साहब जो यहाँ पे है वो कौन? In this chariot wala example, this person is supposed to be the owner, right? Passenger. ये जहाँ जाने को बोलेंगे ये chariot वहाँ जाना चाहिए, because ये उसका chariot है, उसका ड्राइवर है, उसके घोड़े हैं, उसके घोड़े को लगाम. This is okay to understand? But does this person look happy right now? What is he looking like? This person has been hijacked. This person has been kidnapped now. Kidnapped by whom?
By the senses.
Yeah. Because this person is not strong enough to basically do what this person wants. So where the chariot is going wherever the horses want to go. But in this whole scheme of things, this is us. हम कौन है? This is the soul. Inside a body which has mind, intelligence and the senses. Is this okay to understand?